Hello everyone, with this snowy weather I welcome you all to my channel. So this is how I have organized and I have kept it very neat because I always believe that it's a great thing to keep the study table neat. So yeah, as you all can see, this is a homework bin for my daughter and which I have made out from cardboard, and there was a cardboard box and it was pretty hard, so I just cut it and I made this lovely pen, and then I gave it to my daughter. She colored it, she did whatever she wants, and so it's really easy to keep her homework. In that way I can organize all her homework.
All paints are around $1 in Michaels and the brush is around 50 cents. Then here it's a laptop which she uses sometimes, like she gets some maths homework, which I don't know, she has decorated it. Then here with one glass jar, my daughter again, she decorated it. These are all the stick-on gems which I have purchased from Michael, and I think so you can get around 100 gems for $2. And these flowers also, everything I purchased from Michael's. So it was like a DIY project for her, which the kids love to do the DIY project, and it acts as a pencil holder. This is one of the small box which I think so I got it from, like, I have purchased one wallet for my hubby, so it came along with it. So, and it's really useful to use in kids decks, and it has some of the space here. Here again she had done some DIY, and this is a piggy bank. Sometimes she keeps her coins, and this is, I kept the mouse here, and there is one opening where I keep all her eraser, because this is one thing the kids lose a lot. So always this is a nice way to keep it organized, and it's easy to, and everything. And so yeah, and in this you can fit the pencil holder too, so like everything is in place, and it looks really good also, and the table looks super neat by this way. And yeah, I think so if in a kid's study desk is impossible without a nice lamp. So I have this lamp. I have 3 drawers. So on the first one, see again, on the first one again, this was some chocolate basket, in which this is some chocolate basket I gave my daughter, and to write her what are the things, and she kept all the stationaries, that is the scissors, the sharpeners, the staples, and the glue stick, which is really essential. I have one more this box, and in this box I have kept the post-it, the pencils, and the sellotape. And then I have her school phone book. If she wants a play date, I can see all the friends' phone number from here, and I can call their mom. So in this way it's organized, and she knows where all the stuff is. So this first section is fully for the stationaries, and there is her school phone book too. Then on the second drawers I have made 2 folders. These folders are also really cheap. I think so I got each one of them for $2. One I wrote math, because here in US, like if you guys are living in US, most of you know that we don't have any books or any textbook. Most of the things come in a piece of paper. So in this way I can keep my daughter organized and know what's going on. Yeah, the second drawer is totally, she also knows that it's for all the school stuff which comes home, and we all sort them when she comes from school. Other than our homework, we keep it up, and then the other thing we sort it, the English and the maths. Now till now she is in the elementary school, and she is in little bit of a lower grade, so she don't have all the other subjects. So this is the way how we do it now. The last drawer, in this drawer I keep some of the books which I purchased from maybe Amazon or Costco, anywhere, to make her read. So I keep this in the last drawer. One more thing I feel which is very important to keep near the kids desk is a trash can, because the kids, they mess up a lot. And here we get so much paper that sometimes, like, most of my table was filled with all the useless paper. So from that I made it a point that I will keep a trash can near my daughter's desk, and this has helped so much, a lot, in keeping things organized. And this trash can, believe it or not, it's just $3. This is the way how I have organized my kids' study desk. So one and the most important thing which I feel, that the kids' study desk should be very neat. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video in which I have showed how neatly I have organized my kids' study desk. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and those who are watching me for the first time, please to subscribe to my channel